Are your property listings struggling to catch buyers' eyes? You're not alone. Selling a home can be tough, especially in a competitive market. But fear not. TidyTex Home Cleaning is here with essential tips to enhance your listings without breaking the bank. First up, light it up. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This simple trick brightens up the space, making it feel larger and more welcoming. Next, declutter strategically. A tidy space allows potential buyers to focus on the home's features rather than the clutter. Think about what you can remove or rearrange to show off the best aspects of the property. Another tip? A quick deep clean can work wonders. We're veterans in making homes shine, and our reliable cleaning service is designed to help realtors prepare homes for successful showings. With our fast turnaround times, we ensure your listings look their absolute best right before open houses or buyer visits. For a deeper clean and professional touch, consider partnering with TidyTex. Contact us today to elevate your listings and close deals faster. Check the video description for more details and contact us today.